2025 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 64 is an ideal ramjet with an optimally expanded exhaust is traveling at Mach 3. The ambient temperature and pressure are 260 Kelvin and 60 kPa respectively. The inlet air mass flow rate is 50 kg per second. Exit temperature of the exhaust gases is 700 Kelvin. Fuel mass flow rate is negligible compared to air mass flow rate. Gas constant is R is equal to 287 joule per kilogram per degree Kelvin and specific heat ratio is gamma is equal to 1.4. The thrust generated by the engine is dash kilonewton rounded off to 1 decimal point. So this is your typical ramjet cycle. 1, 2 is your inlet intake, 2, 3 is your combustion, and 3, 4 is your expansion process or nozzle, you can say nozzle. So if we apply isentropic relationship between 1 and 2, then T2 by T1 is equal to 1 plus gamma minus 1 by 2 m square, where m is given, inlet Mach number is given as 3. Okay, so and gamma is 1.4 and T1 is given as ambient temperature is given as 260. So T2 comes out as 728 Kelvin and T4 is given that here the value of T4 is given. Exit temperature of exhaust gas is 700 Kelvin. So T4 is given 700 Kelvin. Okay. So as pressure ratio across 1, 2 and 3, 4 is same, so T2 by T1 will be equal to T3 by T4. And T2 is known, T2 we have calculated, T1 is known, T4 is known, so we can calculate T3. So T3 comes as 1960 Kelvin. And now thrust generated is mass into exit velocity minus inlet velocity, and exit velocity can be calculated by this temperature difference, that is T4, T3 minus T4. So exit velocity is your 2 Cp, T3 minus T4 root. So Cp is your 1005, T3 is your 1960 and T4 is 700. So it comes out as 1591 meter per second. And inlet Mach number is given, inlet temperature is given from inlet Mach number, that is 3, and inlet temperature we can calculate inlet velocity. This is sonic velocity multiplied by Mach number will be your inlet velocity. So that is 969.645. So now this temperature is, now this exit velocity is known, inlet velocity is known, mass flow rate is 15 kg per second. So thrust comes as 31067 Newton or 31.067 kilometer.